Stuck choosing between Samsung Wallet and Google Pay for your mobile payments? Let me break this down for you. Today, we are comparing two digital wallet solutions that turn your phone into a payment tool and more. Both Samsung Wallet and Google Pay let you store credit cards, make contactless payments, and keep loyalty cards on your phone. They work at most retailers that accept tap to pay transactions. Samsung Wallet is deeply integrated into Samsung Galaxy phones as a native system app. It combines Samsung Pay features with digital ID, storage, car keys, and home access cards. The service leverages Samsung security chips for hardware level protection. Google Pay works across Android devices regardless of manufacturer. It focuses on payment functionality with integration into Google services. The app also offers rewards tracking and peer to peer money transfers through integration with Google Finance. The biggest difference is ecosystem lock in versus broad compatibility. Samsung Wallet only works on Samsung phones but offers deeper integration with their hardware. Google Pay works on any Android phone but lacks some hardware specific security features. For features, Samsung Wallet includes digital IDs, car keys for compatible vehicles, and access credentials. Google Pay focuses on payment features and includes send money to friends. Both handle basic card storage and payment smoothly. Pricing is free for both apps. Neither charges for storing cards or making payments. You only pay your usual credit card fees through normal banking. So, which fits you? If you have a Samsung phone and want the full feature set including IDs and keys, Samsung Wallet is ideal. If you use multiple Android brands or prefer Google services, Google Pay works better. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech comparison. See you next time.